week, our plant of the week is one that is in our backyard farmer garden. It is in full splendor right now. This is pearl bush. This is a fantastic shrub in the rose family. As you can see, it is outstanding in its full brilliant white flowering right now. We are super excited to have this. This shrub gets to be about 5 to 6 feet tall and wide. So not too big that you can kind of use still up a little bit closer to the house if you'd really like. But it is tough as nails, does great pretty much in a full sun to part sun environment. One of the things that we do have to remember is that this one blooms on old wood. So if you are looking at this plant and you need to kind of trim it back a little bit, you need to do that as soon as the flowering is done to get those buds set for the next year, because like I said, they bloom on old wood. One of the other things that is really great about this plant is the seed heads. They are these kind of really cool tiny capsules. They're gonna add a little bit of kind of winter interest for you also. But this is a great one. I really think that it's gonna be great to be able to add into your landscape. So why don't you try pearl bush in your landscape this year? And we're gonna send it over to you now, Gannon, for the weather.